Once you sign in, you will arrive at Nestor's homepage. From here, you can choose from 4 options to begin your journey. Select Create New Asset to initiate the 2-step virtual asset creation process. In the first step, define the asset. Enter the asset ID, asset name, and select Image as the asset type. You may leave the remaining options as they are. Click Create Asset Definition. Once the asset is created, a success pop-up will appear. Select the next step, Version Upload option to proceed. Here, provide a version name, choose the target platform, and upload your image file. Click Upload Version to save it. After a successful upload, a pop-up will offer next actions. Choose Asset Detail or go directly to Deploy Version. On the Asset Detail page, the latest uploaded version appears on the left, with asset details on the right. Below the Preview section, click the Deploy button to go to the deployment page. Select an environment from the list. Under Deployment to Environment, set the version state. This controls availability. Choose Live to make it accessible. Once deployed, you may set it as default. Follow the on-screen instructions. After deployment, you'll see the version marked as default. Scroll down to view the default URL. Copy and use it wherever needed.